Hey everyone, today I made a crazy app in Python that won't close unless you type I love you. Yes, it's a little scary and very funny. Let's see how it works and build it together. So you won't be able to use any shortcut keys and even the close button is not visible. So let me say I hate you, say it now it says, right? If I no I love you, no freedom, right? So I won't be able to log out until and unless I'll say the only way out is love, right? So I need to say this. So finally your partner will say this, and once they click this, so finally now I can rest in peace. Bye. Once you'll click OK, you'll be able to get out of the app. So let me quickly explain you this code, and by the end of the video I'll let you know about the exe file that I'll be sharing with you all. So you can install this app in your partner's system and ask them to say I love you to you. So let's understand this code. So at the top I'm importing Tkinter. So this is for graphical user interface for creating the GUI, right? Then this message box is to show the pop-ups. Then this random is to pick a random creepy message that you were seeing. Then this pop-ups is a list. These are scary and funny pop-up messages that show up when the user enters the wrong thing instead of I love you, right? After that, before explaining you this function, let's understand the window setup. So we create the main app window using this line. After that, we set the title and we make it full screen so the user can't see the close button or minimize button, right? Then this is the main message on screen, big and bold, telling the user what they have to say. And then this is the input box where the user types their love confession. And then this is the button that checks the input when clicked. If it is not I love you, they get roasted. And then this simple function simply disables the close button, I mean alt plus F4 key on Windows, so they can't just close the app easily. And then this root.main loop, this keeps the app running until the user finally confesses. So when you'll click on this button, then this function code will execute. Now what's there inside this function, let's understand. So if the user types exactly I love you, app shows a happy message and closes. Otherwise, we show a random pop-up from our list. And that's it. Our crazy app is done. Your crush can't escape now. If you had fun, hit the like button. Subscribe for more weird and fun Python projects. See you in the next one.